The USCAB protocol is a simple, structured ultrasonographic protocol that is used during resuscitation. It was named after the CAB sequences in the Advanced Life Support Guidelines. The USCAB protocol can be used during resuscitation. It has positive impact on patient outcomes.
Ideally, a resuscitation team should be comprised of a leader, a member for airway management and ventilation, a member for chest compressions, a member for defibrillation, a member for intravenous catheterization and medication, and a recorder. A sonographer should also be present as an independent member of the team, who is well trained and experienced in resuscitation ultrasound, and who can intervene and interpret the ultrasound images in a timely manner without interrupting or delaying the resuscitation efforts. When ultrasound is to be integrated into the CPR process, place a portable ultrasound machine in the caudal region of the patient, and set an alarm for every 2 minutes for CPR and every 10 seconds for pulse checks, to restrict the hands-off interval for pulse checks rhythm analysis and simultaneous ultrasound evaluation to no longer than 10 seconds. At the start of CPR and at the end of the first 5 cycles of chest compressions, use the subxiphoid 4-chamber view